Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So basically this is a moisturizer and an SPF, and I am going to tell you guys how to use it, who it is for, and my honest opinion, because if you can see, I have gone through it. I've been using this, ever so often. So first things first, what is this? This is basically a moisturizer with an SPF. That is, in my opinion, is super amazing, because the hassle of having to moisturize your skin and then use an SPF, oh my goodness. And also this contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant which helps the skin, like basically it helps to brighten the skin, it helps to fight free radicals. Free radicals are things that potentially harm our skin, cause us to age fast, and this can be gotten from environmental aggressors such as the harmful rays from the sun. And what this does is that it causes the skin to age fast. Let me give you an example. Imagine a fresh tomato outside under the sun for a while. What happens? It starts to shrivel and all that. So basically that's what happens when we overexpose ourselves to environmental aggressors such as the harmful rays of the sun. That's why people preach wear your sunscreen, wear your sunscreen, wear your sunscreen. So back to this, and so I'm going to be very honest, this is the first product I'm ever using from Murad, and I would say I am not disappointed at all. I'm going to let you guys know the pros and the cons. Of course, this in my opinion is just like 3-in-1, in the sense that you get the antioxidant benefit from the vitamin C, you get the moisturizing benefits, it's a moisturizer, and then you get the SPF. This is just a very nice combo. And how you want to use this basically is in the morning. So you use this only in the morning time because it contains SPF. I mean, I'm going to mention the very simple skincare routine, and I am going to mention like if you have other additions to your skincare routine, like if your skincare routine is quite complex. But this is for people who are on the go, or just for a basic skincare step, incorporating this. So the first thing you want to do is to cleanse your face, and then you follow up with this moisturize, and you're good, because this contains antioxidants, is a moisturizer and an SPF, so you're all round protected, and you in turn get even skin tone over time and protection from the environmental aggressors. Then secondly, the other way you can use this is to wash your face, that's cleanse your face, use your toner. After using your toner, you can proceed to using a serum. So if you have your hyaluronic acid, your snail mucin and all that, this is the point where it comes in. After using it, wait for a while for these products to absorb in, then you proceed to applying this Murad. Combining vitamin C with SPF is amazing, because this is a very nice combination, in the sense that you get even more protection from environmental aggressors. You want to use this in the daytime, do not use it at night, because it has SPF. There's no point wearing SPF at nighttime. At nighttime, make sure you wash it off. Over to the pros and the cons. The pros, I've been mentioning it since, and then as for the cons, it is quite expensive. This was a PR product, so thankfully I didn't have to spend so much money. But I think when I checked on the website, I saw that the travel size, I don't know if this is the travel size, I need to check, but the travel size retails for £36. That is quite pricey for a travel size product. So that's one of the cons. And another thing I noticed with this is that when I use it, I know most skincare products, you have to be careful when using it around your eye area, but most of the times I couldn't be bothered, I'll just apply it. But this does sting when it gets into the eye, especially when I sweat. So I'll say when I apply it, then maybe I sweat, because most times I use it in the morning when I want to go for a run, then when I sweat, it enters my eye and it's quite uncomfortable. It's not very terrible, but it is uncomfortable. So that's one of the cons. But this is suitable for all skin types, unless you've got sensitized skin or you are really sensitive. Otherwise, this is suitable for most skin type. That's it for today's review. I hope you found this video really helpful. Have you tried this before? Are you considering buying it? To be honest, if you want to try it out, by all means go for it. I absolutely love it, and it's something that I can consider repurchasing. Yes, it's pricey, but in my opinion, it's worth every penny. So with all that being said, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and if you've got any question, as usual, drop it in the comment section. I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.